What is marketing consulting? A marketing consultant helps businesses to develop and implement marketing strategies that will promote their products or services. They work with clients to identify their target markets and then develop marketing plans that will reach those customers. In addition to helping businesses to create and execute marketing plans, they may also provide training and support to employees on how to implement the plans. How much does a marketing consultant cost? The cost of hiring a marketing consultant will vary depending on the scope of work and the consultant's experience. Generally, marketing consultants will charge an hourly rate or a flat fee for their services. The average hourly rate for a marketing consultant is $110 per hour. What are the benefits of hiring a marketing consultant? There are many benefits to hiring a marketing consultant. One of the most important benefits is that they can help businesses to save time and money by developing and implementing effective marketing strategies. Marketing consultants also have a deep understanding of the latest marketing trends and technologies, which can help businesses to stay ahead of the competition. In addition, marketing consultants can provide valuable insights and advice that can help businesses to improve their overall marketing efforts. When should you hire a marketing consultant? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. Every business is different, and therefore the decision of when to hire a marketing consultant will depend on the specific needs of the business. However, in general, businesses should consider hiring a marketing consultant when they are looking to launch a new product or service or enter a new market.